Hey lovelies, I thought I would make another video today, but rather than do it on a product, I wanted to do it on a treatment that I do in here, which a lot of you must have seen on Instagram. I'm constantly harping on about skin rejuvenation. Skin rejuvenation is done through an IPL laser machine. It's another head that we attach to the machine, and I'd say it's up there with my favourite things that I do in here. You know, there's fire and ice and there's skin rejuvenation, which actually works on the lower levels of the skin rather than working on the surface. So I'm going to talk to you about two things that it does. There's loads of things it does, but in depth I'll tell you about pigmentation, because I hear a lot about pigmentation, especially in the summer months. You know, when people have been on holiday and they come back, and they normally get pigmentation around here, and sometimes they get like spots here, especially on Asian skin. You know, but it can be on any skin type really. So pigmented lesions are caused by abnormal production of melanin, and this is accelerated by the sunlight. So you know, the sun, we all know it ages your skin, but skin rejuvenation actually helps reverse that. So the way in which it does it is we put a gel all over the face and we zap it with the machine, putting it lightly, and the skin rejuvenation machine actually heats up the pigmented lesion to about 70 degrees, and at that temperature it can break down the pigmented lesion and it shatters the pigment inside it, so it gets rid of the pigment, and then it normally goes darker and then it flakes off as dead skin in about 10 to 14 days. I normally advise about 2 or 3 sessions of this for people that have got quite pigmented skin. So that's the first thing, you know, putting it really easily so everyone gets it. The second thing that I use the machine personally for is to remove rosacea or diffuse redness, which a lot of people get in their skin. That's also triggered by the sunlight, but also the cold. There's 3 types of rosacea that you can get, and you know, if you get it, it's normally in females around childbearing age. It's connected to hormones. It can be connected to your diet, so people that eat anything that raises the body's blood temperature, such as nuts or chocolate, or sometimes even orange juice or citric acids in the system, can cause that diffuse redness across the face and on the chin. I normally get it in the middle of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cheeks and on my chin. So the machine again picks up the hemoglobin in the red blood cells and breaks the pigment down and stops that blood vessel from bringing blood to the surface of the area, and that normally takes about 2 hours for that redness to go. Anyone that's had a skin rejuvenation with me you know, will tell you how amazing it is. I use it more for the collagen production, because after the age of about 32, 33, your age accelerates in the aging process. You don't produce your own collagen anymore, so you have to do things to actually stimulate collagen synthesis, and skin rejuvenation is very well known for that. So what it does is it's actually the heat of the machine that causes collagenesis. So the synthesis of collagen is then stimulated in the skin, and it's drawn from the lower levels of the skin to the surface. So you normally see the results with skin rejuvenation, if you're looking for tighter, brighter, just a younger skin, within 4 hours, and shockingly, even 2 weeks later your skin will look better than when you've just had the treatment, because it carries on producing collagen. And with that, I normally advise you have about 3 sessions of it, 1 month apart, and try to do it in the winter months, because if you've got any sort of tan, the machine will pick up the tan as a pigment and you will get burnt. So I refuse to do it on anybody that's got an active tan, which means if you've been on a holiday and you've got that slight glow redness that you get, you can't come to me for at least a month. I thought I would do a couple of videos and talk not only about the products that I sell in here, and you know, provide for for my clients, but also some of the treatments. You get more of an understanding of what it is that I'm putting on Instagram. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to inbox me. And the same again, just come in, have a chat with me. I don't charge anything for a consultation, so you can sit down with me and I can have a look at your skin and actually tell you what you need, not what's just on sale. The Skin Rejuvenation is normally priced at £200, and during the December I put it at £150. So a lot of clients come in and have it done in the winter months, so I try and help them in that way. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.